So this is Manufacturing Masters 2.0, and you'll notice it looks really good on your desktop. The redesign was all about making the information in Manufacturing Masters, all of the training, easier to get to when you need it. So if you need to know about health and safety, we have a category for that. If you need to know about HR and recruitment, there's a category for that as well. If you just need some help with your logistics today, you can go into logistics and you're going to find the help you need. You also have the option to navigate through the experts where you'll see all of the videos put out by each of the experts and what they specialize in. So if you want to have a look at all Kim Wolf stuff, you can find her and you know that she does maintenance programs. It also looks really good on your mobile phone. And the reason for that is manufacturers are busy. The shop floor is a busy place. Sometimes you need an answer right now. We wanted to make sure that you didn't have to go back to your desk to get it.